Hey guys, what's shaking? Welcome back to Hodge-Podge Garage. Yo. So today on the agenda, we've been fishing out at the San Luis Pass a little bit. And if you follow on Instagram or in the Facebook group, then you would have seen a couple pictures of it destroyed. And when I say destroyed, I mean trash everywhere. So first things first, we, loaded up as much as we could in the truck and got 3 trash cans full of trash that we picked up. But Emily has organized the San Luis Pass restoration effort. She's going to take place next weekend, which is, that's a good question because I don't even know the date. I think it is the 23rd. So let's take a look here. Yeah, Saturday the 23rd. So we're gonna meet out there at the San Luis Pass. We've already got a handful of people interested in helping out. Just get it clean. I mean, tourists mostly, I'm guessing, because a lot of the island folk, they don't really mess it up that much. But there were all kinds of stuff. Tents, trash, food, literally bags of shit. It was disgusting. So we've got an event going on next weekend, which is the 23rd, and maybe we'll do some more of those. So if you're interested in seeing what happens, I'm gonna hopefully get a video of that up here next weekend or soon thereafter. But for today, since we've been going to the San Luis Pass, I am playing with my drone. And this is the Cheerson CX20, and I've stripped off the gimbal and camera underneath, and what I've been doing is flying with this guy. So this here is a nice big weight, and I don't even know how many ounces that is, but I got a shark hook on there, and I've been practicing doing some hovering to take some bait out. So hopefully throw a good sized mullet on the bottom of that. It does pick it up just fine. It is probably 3/4 throttle, so it is going to suck some battery life out of there. But here is a cheap way that I'm thinking to do this rather than getting an actual bait release on a switch on the controller. So here, check this out. So this is the idea, okay? A lot of people will build these out and they'll actually have a servo activated switch on the bottom. And instead of doing that, granted this is just a prototype at the moment, but attached to my gimbal mount down there, I am just taking, let's see if I can get against my shirt, paper clip, pretty heavy duty paper clip at that, but just an L there, and I've got a little play in it right now. So the idea is we'll take our big weight with the bait on it and we'll just hook it on that clip. The line will also attach right here. So what we'll do is we'll take off, and as you can see, this hooks underneath there. And as it is flying, I'm going to fly it backwards. So the line will be drooping down right here. Fly it backwards to where I want to go. And then simply rotate 180 degrees. And then I can just keep flying forwards and that'll pop off the bottom. So basically just using, I would just tighten the line so it's not going to take any more line out. And as I go forward, it's just going to drop off. Then it'll drop the bait down, and then I can return to home. And that way, we'll get that line out there a few hundred yards with some of my offshore gear. I've got a Gomexus 30W with I think about 1,000 yards of line on it. So that'll be able to get it way out there and see what happens. Maybe we'll get some sharks. There's a lot of guys getting hammerheads and leopard sharks and bull sharks all off the coast. So stay tuned. I am going to show you a little demo here of just how it flies with the weight on it. I'm thinking probably a mullet, I don't know, yay-ish big. It should pick that up just fine. and we'll see how it goes. So don't forget, guys, make cool shit. All right, so here goes the first test. Gonna try out the paperclip method to release bait. Take two.
Tell me when it's cinched.
Okay. Ooh, it's windy. But hey, that worked. Sweet! And that's how we're gonna get bait offshore.